Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we will continue our sofa design. So this time, we will make cushions for our sofa. I will duplicate this cube in here, Shift D, and rename it arm, and I will save it for the armchair. We will start to make our sofa cushion, but first I will go to edit mode, loop cut, and give loop cut to this object and the other cushion too. And then after that, I will just select sub edges, UV mark shim, and go to UV editing and right click unwrap, and do the same with the other cushion. Now we are ready to make our cushion after we make UVMap. Now we will start with the small cushion one. Go to modifier properties, add modifier, subdivision surface, simple, level viewport 2, go to basic properties, cloth, speed multiplier 0.5, quality step 5, pressure 5, gravity 0, and then play. Right click set smooth. Go to modifier properties once again and apply this subdivision surface and apply the cloth, and do the same with the other big cushion in here. Now go to scope mode, facet, initialize facet by UV sim. Do the same with the little cushion, facet, initialize facet. We will start to sculpt using cloth. I will use drag, and the first valve is radial, enable collision. The radius is 70. Since we need more vertices, I'll go to add modifier, subdivision surface, simple, level viewport 2, and then apply it in the object mode.